Yes, sir.
Yes. So always try to respond to me, guys. Whenever I ask something, please immediately respond. In that way, the class will be interactive session. Okay, so otherwise I'll feel I'm alone in the class. So yeah, we'll start in few minutes, guys. Okay, just 2 minutes. Wait for 2 more minutes. Still others are joining. Meanwhile, I hope everybody joined from laptop. Right, guys? Everybody joined from laptop. So today I will show you the prerequisites, guys. Okay, so how to create like a AWS account. So let me start recording. I don't know, it's showing as already start recording. Yeah. Okay, so in today's class, what I will show, how to create AWS account, I will show you. So everybody, you have to have this AWS account. Compulsory. Why? Because there only we do practice.
Hello.
So, yes.
Okay. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, I can. Your good name?
Thank you. Ramya.
Okay, Ramya. Yeah. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Thank you.
So first of all, guys, happy Vinayak Chavti to everyone.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Okay, so let's start, guys. So first of all, I need a volunteer, guys. Who will share the screen? I will give presenter role to you. Okay, so I will show in your screen only. My session will be little different, guys. It's not like I will share the screen and you will just see. Okay, so daily one student will share the screen. If you are ready with the setup, so you have to like execute the things and all. Daily one student. So in that way you will be active and you can get more knowledge. The confidence also, guys. In real time, once you get in, you'll get more confident. Most of the students, they are doing like this, guys. So please try to share your screen. So I need a volunteer today who joined from laptop, who doesn't have AWS account. Can someone please volunteer? Raise your hand so that I will give presenter role to you. So quickly tell me, guys, don't waste the time. Doesn't matter, like even you don't know nothing also, it's not a matter, guys. I will explain clearly what to do and all. If anybody wants to share, please let me know, guys. It's not a big deal, very easy to make it, guys. Please help me. I will show the prerequisites in your laptop. Can someone help me on that? Okay, so Suresh is there in that. He's in office. That's fine. Anybody? So Kiran, what about you?
Hi, Amar.
Yes, Sweta. You want to proceed? Hello, Sweta.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much.
But actually, please guide me. Please guide me because I already created once. So.
Oh, you already have your account?
Yeah, I already have.
Oh, okay.
Bluetooth.
I given presenter role to you, Shweta, please.
Okay. Is it visible?
No. Yeah, now I can see.
Okay.
Yeah, can you please open your browser? Yeah, so type AWS Management Console. AWS Management Console. So guys, everybody, you have to create this account, okay, na? AWS account. Why AWS account is required? Mean everybody mute yourself, guys. Again, we are getting background noise. So Sweta, you also mute yourself. Getting some background. Sweta, you also mute yourself. Everybody else, guys. Everybody, whoever not talking, please mute yourself. Getting something like a background noise. I don't know from whose end it is. Just a minute, let me check. Yeah, Omkar.
ఎవరో బ్లూటూత్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతలేదు.
Yeah, now it's good. Okay, so we have to check these things, guys. Yeah, go ahead now. Open AWS Management Console, first one. So everybody don't follow simultaneously. Okay, now after the class you will get recording. So guys, have you received yesterday's recording? Actually, they will send one YouTube link. First 3-4 days, they will upload into YouTube. Okay, now you will get that YouTube link. So have you received yesterday's link, guys?
No.
Okay, no problem. I will
sir.
check that and I will post in my WhatsApp group itself. Don't worry. Okay, na? So after the class, maybe just I will check with them. So anybody newly joined today? Okay. Yeah. So here click on create free account. So why AWS account required means? So guys, in real time also, every organization will have one data center. Okay, now there only we maintain our servers. So as I told, like maintaining data centers are very costly, like again thing. Okay, so nowadays most of the organizations they are using cloud only. Okay, now so cloud provider, there are so many cloud providers. Okay, so many cloud providers. So they are what they are doing, they already established the data center across the world. Simply what we have to do, we have to create account with them, and there you can build your servers. Server means operating system, guys. On top of it, you can install your applications. So in real time, I will give you the list of applications also, guys. What kind of application we install in real time, we use in real time. Okay, na? So maybe in some time, not today. Once we start Linux. So first, I'm creating AWS account. Don't follow simultaneously. After the class, maybe by tonight or morning, you will get the recording. So then follow that. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Provide your email address, Sweta. You want to create one more time?
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead then.
Actually, I don't remember last time password.
Yeah, no problem. Create your. So yes, Gaurav, I pinged my number. Okay, so please ping me in WhatsApp so that I will add you into my WhatsApp group. Okay, now whoever joined, guys, newly today, so write down my number. So just I'm pinging in WhatsApp group. So Google go to meeting. So 720-456-9870. That is my number. Please ping me in WhatsApp so that I will add you into my WhatsApp group. So everybody, after the class, please create your account. In Google Meet already I pinged you. Gaurav, check the above number 720-456-9870. In Google Meet already. So you are above chat mine only. Ping me on that number. Yeah. So account ID you can give anything. Maybe your name, Sweta. Continue. So you should have your account, guys, compulsory, everybody. It's a free account only, not completely, but up to some. Continue. For security reason. Okay, come down. So it seems some captcha code they given. Please go ahead and. Already that email is there. Provide different email.
So should I provide a different one?
Do you have one more email ID?
Yes, I
When
have.
did you create it? When did you created the old one?
20 days back.
20. Actually, you can reset your password, but if at all you want to create one more, just try to go ahead with your account.
Actually, I don't remember that time password. So.
No, that's fine. So if you have one more email, please.
Okay. Yeah, sure. But I don't remember password this way.
Do you have one more email or not?
Yes, I have, but I don't remember password. So it takes time, I guess.
Okay. Email password not required. You can create one more password. It's a new, your account password it is, not your email password.
So, okay.
This is not your email password. It can be a different password.
Okay.
So you are creating AWS account by using your email. So this is different in password. So
Got it.
you should follow both same, and they are giving some suggestions, right? You should follow those suggestions. Start small caps, special character, all those things you have to use, and both should be same, above and below. Yeah.
F, right?
Yeah, if I think so. If you are confused, you can just change it. Yeah, good. Now select personal. So in real time, we go with business. There will be some additional functionality, like you can create support case if you need any support and all. So as of now, personal account. It's a free account, guys. Okay, now. So personal account is free account. So you can see left hand side. So 12 months free. Every month 750 hours you will get, guys. Okay, now every month 750 hours you will get. Yeah, go ahead. Provide your name. Just say Hyderabad or something like that. No need to give full address because it's not a like a business account, right? You no need to give actual address. Just say Hyderabad. Yeah, city also Hyderabad. Yeah.
Shall I continue?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, yeah.
Please don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
It's recorded session.
Yeah.
Unshare your screen.
Is it visible
Actually,
now?
No, it's okay.
No. Okay.
Not visible. So make sure that the payment page you should not like again display. Okay.
Okay.
So after
Yeah.
payment only. So guys, even though it is a free account, so there are so many paid services available in AWS. Okay, na. Only 750 hours are free of cost, not completely. Only few services only free of cost. Okay, na. So like compulsory you have to add credit card or debit card information. Okay. So, but you won't be charged. Initially, only 2 rupees you will be charged if you are from India. If you are from outside, $1, I think so. Okay. So please make sure that. So Shweta, please don't share the screen in the payment page.
Yeah.
After the payment page only, you have to share your screen.
Yeah,
So guys,
yes, I
credit card
actually forgot.
information you have to provide. After that, it will ask you your mobile details, mobile identification, verification and all. So Shweta, once your payment done, mobile verification page will come. There again, share your screen.
Okay, sir. There is a billing address. Use my contact address or use a new address. So by default, use my contact address is there. Okay.
Yeah, use your contact
It
details.
asks me
Yeah.
PAN card number.
A PAN card also, if you have, you can provide it. Otherwise, just you can ignore it.
Yeah, sure. It's only.
So let me know once your payment done.
Yeah. Or just I'm entering my. Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, now share your screen again.
Is it visible right now?
Yes, now I can see your screen. Yeah, good. So guys, after the payment, you have to provide your mobile verification. Please go ahead. Verify your mobile. So everybody, after the class, you have to create this account, guys. Okay, now I will share this video with you. Maybe like I will ask admin to get the YouTube video. First 3-4 days, there only you will get, guys. Okay, now everybody, you have to like create this account. So actually yesterday I thought to share the course content, even the recent offer letters and all. I forgot that. Okay, I'm sorry. So today I will do that after the class. I will share the course content plus the recent offer letters for my students. Yeah, you may get one message. So please. Yeah, go with free account only. Okay, na? So we don't need payment one. So go with free. For practice purpose, free account is enough. Complete sign up.
Or basic, right?
Basic only. You selected already. So that's it, guys. Our account is ready. See how simple it is. So our account is ready now. Okay, na? Now, yeah, click on go to management console again. Now you can log in, guys. Now sign into console and provide your username password. Select default only. No need to change anything. Direct to provide a. So you will come to know what is root user, what is IAM. That is out of matter right away. In AWS class, I will explain that. Okay, na? Don't worry. So guys, here compulsory your cooperation is required. Without your cooperation, you can't learn much. Okay, now simply following classes and all, like you don't get anything, guys. So trust me, like your cooperation minimum. So if I give 100%, you should give 200%. Then only, like what I can say, you can get the things.
I can't.
So Gaurav, please ping me after the class, okay, na? Maybe because your requirement maybe like so because you have to follow me. So right, it's for all, right? Ping me after the class privately.
Can you please spell for me this?
Maybe do one thing, Shweta.
I will
You can listen also. Click
Sorry?
on listen. Speaker button is there at above. Yeah, you can listen also if you are confused. Click on play button and whatever you listen, right? Just type it. Slowly listen one by one and pay it. Press it. No, actually, AWS, like again, so here this is DevOps class, okay, na guys. So AWS, so many topics are available. We don't cover all AWS classes, cover topics here. Only AWS, like what are the things minimum required, we will cover. Because AWS itself, it will take again 1.5 months, 2 months to cover the things, right? So here this is DevOps class. We cannot cover complete AWS. Can you please close this prompts and all your right side also? So guys, that's it. Your account is ready. Your AWS account is ready. See, hardly maybe 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, we can create our account. Okay, click on Shweta button. Right hand side top corner Shweta button is there, right?
Where?
In your screen, top right hand corner.
Yeah.
Now click on my billing dashboard. So guys, remember one thing, be careful. AWS is not completely free of cost. Okay, now only few services for promotional purpose they are giving free of cost. Remaining all are paid only. So AWS providing so many things like storage services. So servers you can build, some application related services they are providing. Okay, so many things are. So here check your billing every day. Okay, every day check your billing here. So one more thing, just for your information. Everybody mute yourself, guys. So backend too much noise getting everybody. So make sure that, guys, you don't have any disturbance from your end. And remember one thing, guys. Whoever using US account, I mean US cards and all, US or outside cards, it is not again. It is auto debit option for you guys. For Indians, it is not auto debit. Even bill you charge, you've been charged for like your account also. It's not auto debit for Indians. If you are using India card, okay, now if you create this account from outside, now it is paid version again, auto debit. Okay, now means whatever the bill like amount you've been charged, right? That will be auto debit if you are using US cards and all. So if you are outside, please try to use Indian card. Ask your brother or maybe pay family cards, and by using that only create your this one. Okay, now make sure that, just for your information. Okay, because for Indians it is not auto debit. Like where it will be there, come down. I will show you that option also. Left hand side somewhere payment method option will be there. Left hand side payment button method. Come down. Payment method. Here see, enable recurring payments for default payment method. The checkbox is there, right? Above. Don't change, don't enable.
Okay.
If you enable it, it is auto debit. But for US cards and all, this option won't be there, guys. It is only for Indian cards. So see, it is not a, like, you should not enable this. Okay, now if you enable this, you will be auto debit. Your money will be auto debit. Whatever the charges you, occurred, right? They will be auto debit. Just for your information, I'm showing. For US card, this option won't be there. But for us, it's optional. We can choose or we don't choose. Okay. Now click on services button. Left hand side top, left hand side services button is there, right? Yeah. Top left hand corner. Services button. See guys, how many services AWS guys providing? Around 200 to 300 services they are providing. No one can have all this knowledge, guys. Based on your requirement, which services, which application you would like to use in your project, we will learn them. Okay, now so here now our requirement is, okay, so we are going to create our operating system. How you install operating system in your laptop? In the same way, now in AWS data center. Okay, now so in AWS data center, now we are going to create our operating system. We are going to install our operating system. So for that, the service name is EC2. Can you click on EC2 service, the first service?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to show you how to create. Now I'm going to create how to create your operating system, how to install your operating system. Click on instances. So right now, see, it's a brand new account. Nothing is there. You can launch as many as operating system. How many operating system you need? Where are you currently? So you can see top right hand corner, Ohio. Drop down is there. Top right hand corner. Yeah. So see guys, this many data centers we have. So see in US 4 data centers, North Virginia, Ohio, North California. Okay, so Oregon. See, so in India only Mumbai as of now, guys. In India only Mumbai, they have the data centers. Okay, na? See, guys. In India, Mumbai. So recently, I mean, maybe in 1 or 2 years, we are going to have data center in Hyderabad also. In Hyderabad also, they started the like again data center. It's not. It's in progress now. It will take 2-3 years, guys. Okay, na? See. So as of now, select Mumbai. How can I choose which one like is required? It's based on your project, guys. Which project you are working for? India project or US project? So it's not like you are from India, so I will choose in India. Not like that, guys. Which project you are working for? Example, I'm working for US related project. I will select US projects data center only. Always it should be nearby, not to you, to your customers. Okay, now. So US region I will select. So here, as of now, let's take India project. Maybe I'm working for IRCTC. So IRCTC is a Mumbai, India project. Right? Somewhere I'm getting too much noise here. Everybody mute yourself. Only whenever you want to talk, please unmute. Something movement sounds, like mouse sound, something like that. So sometimes you may not feel it's a big sound, but I don't know. We are getting it. Everybody mute yourself, guys. Please don't unmute unless you want to speak. Again, if you want to speak, unmute and mute it again immediately. Yeah. Select India as of now. So example, guys. So I want to use it. Sweta, can you please mute yourself? Please. Actually, we are getting, you're moving your moving your typing keyboard, right? Everything we are getting actually sounds. Please mute yourself. Okay. If you want to speak, then only unmute it. Yeah. Select India, Mumbai. Just yeah. So guys, now you're in Mumbai. Click on it. Now you're in Mumbai data center, guys. Logically, now you're in Mumbai data center. Okay, now in Mumbai, you are going to build operating system now. Now let me show you. So click on launch instance. It's a brand new account, right? So that's the reason we don't have any servers now. Yeah. So obviously, to install operating system, we need image. See, already predefined images they are providing. Come down slowly. See, guys, Windows images. So generally in my laptop also to install OS, what I need? I need ISO image, DVD. So here they are providing in this way. So we call them, we'll discuss more onto these topics in AWS class. Okay, na? Right now it's not AWS class, so I don't want to deep dig. Scroll up. And here, guys, in our class, we don't go with Windows. Okay, na? So DevOps, most of the times we go with Linux only. Okay, let's go with Linux only. The first one. Okay, so here T2 dot one more thing. Wait. So guys, everybody, please remember this. So as I told, AWS account is not completely free of cost. Only few of them. So out of it, here they are allowing us to create our server, but not every time. There are different, like generally sizes will be there, right? How much CPU you need, how much RAM you need, how much storage you need. Okay, so here 1 GB, can you highlight that line which you selected already? That is the default one, guys. Okay, now T2 dot micro. See, 1 GB RAM. Scroll up little bit. You can see the heading. See, you can see the heading. 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU you received for that line. If you select the T2 dot micro, you will get 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU, guys. Okay, na? So as of now, for practice purpose, this is fine. Let's go ahead. Review and launch. So like, so there are so many things to actually select, but as of now, I don't know. I'm taking all defaults. We will discuss those things and all in AWS class. Right away, it's not required. Now click on launch button. Yeah. So one more thing. Let me share my screen, guys. Here, something I have to show you. Okay. So just a minute. Please let me know once you are able to see my screen. Shweta, just a minute. Okay. I'll take control.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, guys, about the timings. Whoever joined newly today, okay, only first 1 week 8:30 p.m. IST. So after that, guys, it will actually 7 p.m. will start from next once your Linux completed immediately. But 7:15 it will take some time, maybe 2 weeks, something like that, maybe 2-3 weeks. But this one immediately after your Linux starts, okay, na? So this class will start. You can join here 7 p.m. This is DevOps class, guys. Either you can go with this one or this one. Both are separate batches. Okay, now there is no dependency. Both are separate batches. Only first 1 week only 8:30 p.m. After that, you have to join either this one or this one. So this one immediately will start once your Linux is just completed. But this one it will take, just for your information. Okay, now 2 weeks it will take. Meanwhile, you can practice this Linux. I will give the tasks on Linux. Okay, now so you have to complete those Linux tasks, because Linux foundation is very much important. Without Linux, you can't understand DevOps. So try to, I'll give my Google Drive access. Okay, now there you have huge notes for Linux, what to practice and all, everything there. I will show that Google Drive information also. Okay, just for your information. And here, guys, generally to log into any operating, it doesn't matter. I'm not talking about AWS. Okay, now. Okay, so there are multiple ways to log into your operating system. Username and password is one way. Okay, username and password is one way, and username key is one way. Public key and private key. This is one way, guys. Multiple ways we have. Actually, you may not heard about these two things as of now. So now I'm going to show you this way. Okay, na? Actually, what AWS is doing for security purpose, guys, there are multiple ways: username, password, username, private key. So what they are doing, actually, they are like providing one example, amar.pem key. So I have to give name to that key. So example, if I give amar for that key, it will be amar.pem. Okay, na? Actually, it's a combination of two keys, public key and private key. Okay, na? So it's kind of zip file, guys. They are providing this zip file. Okay, na? So this .pem key they are providing. Actually, I need this private key. Okay, so I have to extract it once I generate it. It's one-time task, not every day. Okay, now for the first time, what I will do now, so while creating my operating system, it will ask you to generate this key. So I will download this, but this key I cannot use directly. So I have to extract this private key. So this key is combination of two keys. Okay, now so I have to generate this one. So I will show you how to generate, and after that I'll use username and private key to log into that operating system from your laptop. Okay, now let's see that. Let me show you that. So go ahead, Shweta, again.
Is it visible?
Yes, I can see. Now, first drop down is there, right? Can you click on the first drop down? Yeah, create new key pair. So name itself key pair, it is saying. Guys, key pair means pair. Public and private keys they are providing. Give any name, maybe Shweta, your application name, whatever it might be. Don't give like that. No. No spaces, no dots. That's not a best practice. Okay? Yeah. Download key pair. See, you got Shweta.pem key. Don't open. I will show you how to extract. So come down. It's not yet done. Launch instance. See, guys, that's it. your operating system is ready. Come down. View instances. See, your operating system ready. Hardly 2 minutes, guys. Within 2 minutes, your server is ready. Now you can log into it. But how? Because we don't give access to AWS console, everybody. Only as a DevOps admin, we will get the access from console. But in your project, your developer will be there. Your application team will be there. How they will connect to this? We don't give this console access. Console means this AWS account. This is only for AWS admin, DevOps admin. Okay, now. Then how they will log in? Okay, let me show you. So compulsory, everybody, they have to install PuTTY application in their laptop. Can you type PuTTY? Maybe go to browser. So everybody, you have to download PuTTY application, guys. PuTTY application. Open new tab. PuTTY download. Go with first one. First one. First one. Below. First one. So everybody, whoever using Windows laptop, okay, you should download and install that. Anybody using MacBook? First one, install it. Install that PuTTY.
Okay.
So everybody, you have to install PuTTY application, guys.
Next.
Yes. Install. Why it's taking this much time? Check any backend, any prompt. Sometimes it will prompt you. So just minimize everything. See something. See that? Same one. Just minimize everything. Anything backend. Actually, it should not take this much time. Yeah, it's working. So everybody, you have to install PuTTY application, guys. We don't connect only creation. Okay, AWS account we will use, but once your server is ready, we will use PuTTY application only, guys. All this is one-time task, guys, not everyday task. Okay, now so simple. Your PuTTY is ready. Now one more thing is pending. As I told, the PEM key is there, right? We have to extract it. Private, public, and private keys will be there, right? Can you please open PuTTY Gen in your laptop? If you download PuTTY, you will get PuTTY Gen also, guys. PuTTY Gen. Second one. So try to listen carefully, guys. Okay, na? So don't follow me simultaneously, because definitely you'll feel the things. So you'll miss the things. Now below load option is there, right? Select the load option. Where is your so downloads only, right? Here right hand side, you can see right hand side one drop down. No, right hand side on top of open button. Yes, make it all files. Yeah, so select your PEM key. Select your PEM key. What is your PEM key? Shweta.pem. Okay, open it. Okay. Now save private key. This is one-time task, guys, not everyday task. Okay, na? Save private key. Only one-time task. Give the same name. Always the best practice is give the same name. Don't give extension. Just give name. Only name. Don't give the extension. Okay, na?
Yeah,
Save it. Yeah, that's it. You saved it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, now close it. So we're ready to log in, guys. Now I'm ready to log in. I'm like all set. My server ready, my key ready. Now how to log in, I'm showing. So select your server, go to AWS console. So every server has one IP address, guys. Okay, na? Select your server. You'll get one IP address. See, bottom line, you can see one already gone. Yes, copy that IP address.
Copied.
Yeah, PuTTY in your laptop. PuTTY. PuTTY. Yeah, paste your IP address. I will show one more time, guys. Don't worry. It's not again not easy thing. I know. Left hand side SSH button is there, right? Below. Click on authentication button. No, the button itself. Auth button is there. So no. Yes. Button. Not that one. Yes. Now click on browse button. Where is that private key? So we should remember them, guys. Okay, now we should remember the key names. What is my key name? Shweta, right? Select.
Yeah.
Shweta. Open. We have to remember that. Okay, now? Yeah, open it now. We are done, guys. Click on open. Below open button is there, right? Accept. Yes. And the default username is EC2-user, guys. EC2-user. That is the default username. EC2-user. -user. Enter. That's it, guys. This is my Linux operating system. No graphical screen like Windows, guys. Okay, nah. No graphical screen like Windows. Only command line. Where is my Linux box actually? It is there in AWS data center, in Mumbai data center, guys. In Mumbai data center, we have the server. So from my laptop, I connected. Now all your developers, same way they will connect. They will install PuTTY application, okay, na? And they will access this Linux operation. Here, now whatever you do in Windows, the same thing you can do in Linux also, guys. Okay, let me show you the same process one more time. So go back. So let's launch one more Linux operating system. Minimize this. Okay, so launch instance. So guys, one more time I'm showing the same process. See? Okay, from beginning I will show. Click on services button. Left hand side, top right hand services button.
Okay, yeah, got it.
From beginning I'm showing again. See how to launch. Click on EC2. Close it. Okay, as of now already one is there. Let's launch one more. Launch instance. So you have to select your operating system. I am going with Linux only. We'll discuss more about Linux in from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Yeah. So always here go with this session only, guys. Okay, na. So go with the T2 micro only. You will get 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU. Okay, na? You will get 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU. So in real time, we go with whatever we need. But here, cost also, it is like you have to consider, right? Okay, let's go with cost. So review and launch. Launch button. Okay, you can go with existing same key. I can use it for multiple servers, guys. But maybe I want to show again the process one more time. Let's go with new key. No, let's go with you. It's your wish actually, but I'm showing. I want to show one more time the process. So for this server also, I'm taking new key. Yeah, give different name. Download key pair. Launch instance. See guys, that's it. Your server is ready. Second server also ready. Come down. Review instances. You can launch as many as guys. How many you need? See, the below one is second one. It's pending state now. It's coming now. Second server is also ready. Now, meanwhile, let's generate the key first time because this is again I used the second key, right? Yeah. Select the second key. Server. First of all, let's generate the key. Open PuTTY in your laptop. Only whenever you have a new key, that time only, guys, not every time. Okay, click on load button. I'm showing one more time the same process. Click on where is your select that all files.
This one, first one.
Yes, first one. So we have to remember them. Yeah. Okay. Now save private key. Public not required because we are using username, right? Yeah. Save with the same name. Have you saved it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then close it. So I'm ready to log in second operating system also, guys. Second server also. Open first get the IP address. For every server has one IP address, guys. No, above scroll up. Here instance summary. First one is no, there itself. Scroll up. First one. Expand it. Yes. Every server has its own IP address. Okay, na? Find out that IP address. We will save those IP addresses, guys, so that you can identify. You can log in them. Now let's log in. Open PuTTY application again. Paste your IP address. Left hand side, come select SSH button. Authentication. Browse. So we have to remember the keys. Okay, na? Guys, we have to remember the keys. Which key you used for this server. We will save that information. Now open. So generally example, I have a home. In my home, different rooms are there. Each room has key. I'll remember the keys, right? Which key is for which room, which is my bike key, which is my gate key, everything. Same concept. I have to remember those, guys. Yeah. Enter same user again because see second server also I logged in. Show me both side by side. One more PuTTY also there, right? So see, two servers I logged in, guys. Two separate server from my laptop. So I installed a Linux operating system in AWS console. Okay, now in AWS data center, in Mumbai data center I installed and I logged in from my laptop. So your developer, your application guy, everybody they will log in like this only. Whatever you can do from Windows, in Windows, The same things you can do. The same things you can do in Linux also, guys. But the thing is command line. So those commands only I'm going to show you first 1 week. Okay, now first 1 week I'm going to show about Linux topics, guys. What are the different Linux classes? I mean, things are there. Those things I will show you. Okay, now. So any questions, guys? Did you understand what is AWS account? How to launch our operating system? How to log in? Any questions here? Everybody, you have to respond. If you have any questions, you have to respond. If you don't respond, I will treat like what I can say. So no doubts. Yes. Okay. So Gaurav is asking about my Google Drive. Yes. Just a minute. Let me share my screen. So guys, not only the class topics. Okay, now there are so many things available in my Google Drive. Let me show you that. So,
Amar, can I
One second.
terminate?
Yeah, exactly.
one more thing, guys. Just a minute. One more thing. Okay, now after the class, after your practice session, daily shut down your servers, guys. Okay, now in that way you can reduce your cost. How to shut down? Simple. Select your server. Yeah, click on instance state. Here, terminate. Terminate means completely you're deleting. But again, before the class, we have to start the sessions, guys. Okay, now compulsory everybody join from laptop only and be ready with your setup. So directly we can proceed. So tomorrow, who will be like again ready with your setup? Can someone please confirm me? So because guys, it's a routine task daily. We should not wait unnecessarily. It will take 10-15 minutes if you do the same thing in class. Who will be ready with the setup? Can someone please confirm me? It's not a big deal, guys. Says everything I will help you.
Tomorrow I'll be ready with my setup.
Just a minute. Tomorrow Saturday, right? Can we have?
Yeah, on Monday.
Just a minute. I'm checking this. Just checking. Yeah. Okay then. We'll meet on Monday class. Okay, na?
Okay.
Tomorrow no class. But who will be ready with the setup? Monday class.
Ramya, it's me.
Ramya, great. So, do you have already AWS account or you will create it?
I have, but I'll create it again.
Your wish. But make sure that your server should be ready. Are you there in my WhatsApp group?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah. So please, if you have any questions while creating, before the class you have to. So this PuTTY session I need. Can you please open your PuTTY session, Shweta? Shweta, the PuTTY session, have you closed it?
Yeah, no. It's there.
So this is
But,
Ramya. That's fine. I want to show her. So Ramya, so I need like this, your setup.
Okay.
Okay, now the PuTTY session, so already logged in and keep it ready. So directly we can go with the Linux class tomorrow. I mean Monday class. Okay, na?
Okay.
So make sure that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's great. So any other questions meanwhile? Otherwise, I will share my screen. Okay, just a minute, guys. So I will give control, like once your enrollment is done, I will give access to this Google Drive. So I have huge notes
Can you hear me?
about. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah, this is Mahima. Do we get this recorded session link so that we can refer again and I can install everything? Because it's
Yes,
first time, I'm just a little bit confused. Little bit. Okay, thank you so much, Amar.
Yeah, definitely. I will try for tonight. Otherwise, at least by morning, you will get the link.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes. So guys, this is my Google Drive. Okay, na? So there are so many topics, real time, what I do in real time, everything I used to document them. Okay, na? Most of the things available here. So even interview questions, resumes, everything I have in place. Apart from that, class notes also available. Okay, so class notes. So most of the topics I will cover here. Even few extra topics also there. So apart from that, guys, interview related things also I documented. For example, let's take Linux. In interview, what they ask in Linux, I clearly mentioned with the question and answer. Most of the, still it's update, and I'm updating the things, guys. Okay, so there are so many things to update. Just for your information, I'm showing you. These are interview preparation documents, guys. What kind of questions they ask in Kubernetes, in Docker, in Jenkins,